walking. We can role play. I'm Christopher Walken. I treat you like a queen, and I'm king of New York. And welcome to my city, pretty fast pace, ain't it? I put on weight, but the pocket's the only place gained it. Life's better when sipping glasses of ace, ain't it? Them other boys are jokers without their face painted. You play your cards right, you might get lucky tonight. Bring the vampire out, I suck and I bite. I'm a fucking rapper.